Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, and hubby went to go get Zoe a little present last night, and I'm gonna have to go today and get Zia one. I'm gonna see Zoe's reaction. Coffee is brewing. Zoe, Daddy got you a surprise.
What?
Daddy got you a surprise.
Mama.
Come here. What is it? Yes, it is. She's falling asleep eating some cheese puffs. It's 11:40. I just got back from running errands. You're done? And Zoe is not wanting to wear any clothes, and she's been itching, and she's got like this rash on her hand. She keeps saying it's mosquito bites, but I think it might be the starts of that hand, mouth, foot viral whatever. So I went and they told me to get this. She's never had that before, so I don't know what's going on. Let me just do all this stuff.
Mama.
What do you want? So yeah, the pharmacist told me to get that. Can you even see it? I
Mommy.
like this.
Mommy. Mommy.
So yeah, I'm gonna keep washing her hands with that, and hopefully it doesn't spread if that's what it is.
Mommy.
What? I thought I would do a little get ready with me of the current makeup that I've been using. I just took this out of the refrigerator and I'm gonna put my serum on with it. That feels so good. Oh my God.
That's so big, so good, Mama. That's so tickle.
Feel it? Look.
You're big.
Next thing is the Psychopair.
My pit.
It's just a paste. I have a lot of discoloration and like sun
Is it ready,
damage,
Ready, Mama.
things like that. So I'm just gonna, usually I dot my face, but I'm just gonna rub it in.
Oh, good job, Mama. Huh.
I'm gonna do that. I haven't done my Tatcha in a while, so I'm gonna use that, and I just use my fingers. It comes with like a little disc that you can scoop it off, but my hands are clean, so.
Mama.
Next, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I have my mirror here because I have no mirror in front of me. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I'm just gonna
Mama, you put on
pour
your
some on
face,
my
Mama.
brush.
Mama. You put on your... Mama, what are you doing? How you put this on? Mommy, come here. See, come here.